Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it is that time again that we do a unboxing of the BOXYCHARM monthly box. So this is January's monthly box, and as usual, I have not been snooping around to see what kind of spoilers may be out there, because I love to be surprised when opening up my BOXYCHARM. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, please watch my other BOXYCHARM videos so you can see what BOXYCHARM is all about. This little box right here costs $21 a month, and it is filled with amazing beauty products, all which are worth way more than $21. So let's open it up and see what's inside. When you first open your BOXYCHARM box, there is a little paper here which tells you everything that's inside, but I don't really like to look at it because then it ruins the surprise. But check out how cute this card is. This is adorable. January's box is called Boxy and Chill, and it's in all these little pastel colors. That is so cute. Okay. So, oh, whoa. This is what I'm seeing so far, and I'm gonna pull out the first thing that caught my eye, which is a Tarte product. Girl, this is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. Wow. Oh my God. This is so awesome. Okay, so we've got a little card here that tells you how to do different looks. And this is what the compact looks like. It's like a mermaid. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. See what's inside. Oh man. These are beautiful in this mirror. It's so big. I just realized I still have foundation all over my lips. Does that mean it's been like that the whole video? Okay, so look at these colors. We've got Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel. Did I already say Treasure? These are so pretty. So pretty. They all look like they're shimmery though, except maybe Tiki looks a little matte, but the rest are shimmery. But these are gorgeous. Wow. Compass and Escape, those are probably going to be my favorites. These are absolutely beautiful. And this palette, like, wow. That is a nice eyeshadow palette. And it's Tarte. And it's the Rainforest of the Sea collection. So awesome. Okay, moving on to the next product, we have a lip lacquer from Smith & Colt, and it says The Shining on it. So let's check out this lip product. Please let it be a lip color that I like, Lord. Life in Photographs, it says on the bottom. Ah! You guys finally got it right. Oh my God, I finally got a light colored lipstick in here, or lip color or whatever. Usually I get these colors that I'm like, couldn't you guys have sent me like a pink or a nude or something? Girl, yes! I'm so happy. Smells like cupcakes. Why does all these lip products always be smelling like cupcakes? You makeup companies is onto something. Y'all must know that us ladies like the cupcakes. Okay, anyway, so yeah, this is Smith & Colt. And it's baby pink, and I think it's called Life in Photographs. I cannot wait to use that. Okay, next product we have here, it says Starlux Brown Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. I don't really wear brown eyeliner that much, but sometimes every once in a while I do. I really like my black eyeliner, but I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like if I can get this thing opened. Okay, it's a retractable pencil. And it is in brown. That might work for me because it looks like a dark brown. So, okay, girl, I can do that. Next product we have here is a Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Let's take a sniff. Oh, that smells good. I like that. Okay, let me tell you what this brand is. Briogeo, I guess? I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a much needed product. I love any kind of hair repair products because, girl, obviously I need it. Last but not least, we have some TATCHA products. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I've never owned or used TATCHA products before, but look at me now. Girl, I own 2 of these. This is a TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So obviously it's going to make me luminous and dewy. So this is a sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of water. No, I'm just kidding. A healthy drink of hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just 1 use. Okay, girl. Yeah, we got 2 TATCHA face masks. Let's check out what the value of all of these products are. We've got the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Retails for $16. The Lip Lacquer from Smith & Colt retails for $22. So this right here costs $1 more than this entire box. Okay. This Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea palette retails for $36. Pencil retails for $19, and the TATCHA 2-pack face mask retail for $24. Ladies, I don't know about you, but paying $21 for all of this is a steal. Okay, so that was a really good box. Seriously, I'm about to try on this lip color because I always be complaining about them dark lip colors they send me. So let's see what this looks like. I got a feeling it's just gonna be like a gloss though. Let's see. Well, it is just a gloss, but there is a little tiny baby hint of pink. But it's super cute, okay? And I like this, okay? I am digging this. I cannot wait to try these Tarte eyeshadows. I love me some Tarte, especially the Rainforest of the Sea line. Like, girl, if I could own everything from that line, I'd be pretty happy. Do a little swatchy on my fingertips, just so you can see a little bit. Ooh, look at those. Super pigmented, super shimmery. Okay, those are super cute. I literally love all of these already, and I would just like to do this to my face right now. So anyways, that is the end of my unboxing of the January BOXYCHARM box, which is called Boxy and Chill, girl. So while it's still January, you might as well get your hands on this box because it looks pretty good. Okay. A lot of you always ask which variation I got. So this one is the number 7 with a heart, and the weight of this package was 15 ounce, I guess. It says 15 ounce, first class. I'm assuming. I'm making statements and assuming. Okay then. So yeah, that's what I got in my BOXYCHARM box. I'm in love. I'm so in love. And this lip gloss, I am feeling it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out BOXYCHARM down below. I will put a link to BOXYCHARM down below so you can click on it, sign up, get you some good stuff for $21. You can't beat it. Once again, welcome all of my new subscribers. I'm so excited to have you on board. Give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time. Please make sure you have your notifications turned on so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video. I've got some exciting things coming soon. I'm going to be doing a Q&A, which I will talk about in another video. I'm also going to be announcing the giveaway winner of the BioVine face mask. And I've got some other videos lined up for you guys. Woo! So you got something to look forward to from moi. Okay then, I will see you later. I'm ending this video because as usual, I am yapping my jaws way too much. See you next time. Bye!